the parliament session that would reconvene starting 11 a.m. today. The opposition will rake up a plethora of issues, which includes inflation as well as the Agnipath scheme and the NEET issue, among others. So a lot of issues that will be taken up in the parliament. So a stormy session that is expected. Let's go across to Harsha. She's joining us live from the Vijay Chowk. Harsha, it is expected to be a stormy session today. A lot of issues that the opposition will be raking up to corner the central government, the primary one being the NEET leak issue.
You rightly pointed out, Samiksha, since the day one of the parliament session that precisely was on the 26th of June, from that time to till now, we have seen that how opposition is continuously trying to overhaul the parliament proceedings. And today also, what we will see is that the discussion which started on 28th, or the discussion which started 28th of June for the motion of thanks on the president address was held by opposition with Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, the TMC leaders, RJD leaders, all of them discussing on the Agnipath issue, price rise issue and on the NEET issue. Today also there are several issues, and the opposition together unitedly have decided that until and unless under business rule number 377, the discussion on the NEET issue, the NEET scam will not take place. Any other discussion they will not let happen in the parliament, and that is the reason why the ruckus, chaotic scenes and the opposition leaders raising their voices, using placards, going near the well where the speaker himself was there, where multiple times the speaker warned them not to come towards the well, but still they were continuously trying to go towards the well. Those situations from the parliament we have witnessed till 28th of the June. But today it's a very important day. Today is a very important day. Today is the 1st of July, and again the second to the motion of the president speech will be done by Anurag Thakur and Basudeb Swaraj in the lower house of the parliament, that is the Lok Sabha. Yes. And while in the Rajya Sabha there are several papers which will be laid, and also we have got to know that the opposition under rule number 377 has decided to adjourn the notice and also to discuss on the Agniveer and the NEET issue. Back to you.
All right, Harsha, thank you for the moment. We will keep coming back to you. In fact, also to add here that the Education Minister has already made it clear that the centre is ready for discussion on the NEET matter. But let's move on to the news that we've been tracking from West Bengal, which has once again sparked nationwide outrage amid mounting anger over the recent assault of a woman in Cooch Behar. Another horrifying incident has surfaced in which a viral video, in fact, that has surfaced, which shows a couple being publicly flogged in Uttar Dinajpur district. The brutal act of mob justice, also known as Insaf Sabhas in the region, raises questions about the law and order situation in West Bengal again.